humanism. So कल भी मैंने बताया था कि ह्यूमनिज्म कम अगेंस्ट होम, कम अगेंस्ट क्वांटिटी रिवोल्यूशन, कम अगेंस्ट positivism, come against locational analysis and all. Yes or not? Because it is not able to give any satisfaction to the society and problems of the society is still existing. अभी भी locational analysis देखा, problem नहीं solve कर पा रहा. The people problems and then all the human problem is itself existing. Health sector has not been, education sector कहाँ पे कोई काम किया? How do they are going on? So I said that humanism developed as a reaction to positivism, quantitative relation, locational analysis. It has been developed against it. लेकिन humanism में what is the major problem area and which is the central area where we have to emphasize? Man and their development. Yes or not? Human being as an agency and their development. And that has not been done by whom? Yes? Positivism, quantitative relation and locational analysis. I have said a few words yesterday. Humanism means there is an importance of human welfare. Humanism means, I said that, importance of human welfare. Yes, is it clear? And I said that humanism is also talking about cultural renashing. Cultural, yes. Revival in the what? Culture. Yes. Cultural renashing. Humanism is also talking about what? Cultural renashing. Humanism is also talking about self-realization. Humanism is also talking about, जो ये बात कर रहा हूँ, it is not there in the notes. Humanism is also talking about self-realization, and it self-realization means, I said that you should be competent enough to understand the religion to some extent that you are doing, following, and I said that metaphysics existing around. Understood? नहीं तो उसके प्रॉब्लम को तो सोल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. आज के डेट में भी आप जाओगे आपके घर में मदर फादर, यदि एक साल सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ तो दूसरे साल सिलेक्शन के लिए फिर क्या होने ले जाते हैं? बेटा आ जाना एक बार, ये अलग उठी पहन के चले जाना. आप कहते हैं ठीक है आ रहा हूं मैं. ओके, सो some kind of, I think that these values are existing, metaphysics are existing in the society and you can't avoid it. जैसे जैसे improvement होगा, literacy, education, health and all, the people started thinking, okay, and you will have lots of opportunity. India is in a growing, opportunity will be more. So I said that humanism. So I said that the humanist gives a central and active role to whom? Human awareness, human agency. Understood? And I said that emphasis on qualitative and value-based research. Qualitative and value-based research. Human welfare, which I said that. Cultural renashing. And then self-realization through the reasoning. आपके दिमाग में आपको पता हो कि मैं किस लिए religion accept कर रहा हूँ, religion का positive क्या है, negative क्या है. Self-realization through reason-based plus minus why it is so. And reject some concept of religion and supernatural phenomena, metaphysics. Understood? So this is an emphasis on quality or qualitative or value based. So it is in a human, man is the central position, and how do the man is getting some problem? The approach of humanist geography is, I said that, कैसे देखते हैं? Geographers is mainly through the historical. Yes? Approach कैसे है? Approach of humanistic कैसा होना चाहिए? Yes, tell me. Historical. How it should be there? I said that. Can you change the human thought in a day? हाँ? कर सकते हो तो बता दो. आज भी हम लोग बात करते हैं कि we should improve the Indian condition, and then there should be a spread of education system, spread of health system at a very high level, so that the other system which is prevailing in India, that can be what is an wash out. और आज से नहीं देख रहे हैं, since the history and what is the way that history we have developed some kind of what. आज भी लोग बोलते हैं कुछ आज मेरा टैप खुला हुआ था एंड आई वाज डूइंग सेविंग एंड ऑल. माय वाइफ सेड दैट पानी खर्च करोगे तो लाइफ के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता. मैंने बोला ये कहाँ से कैसे ग्रो किया होगा. सो समटाइम द पीपल हैज सेड दैट इट इज ओके, पानी सेव करने के लिए, कंजर्वेशन के लिए, चलो हम लोग मार्केट में, सोसाइटी में क्या करते हैं, इफ यू व्हाट इज इन वेस्ट द टाइम, वेस्ट द वाटर, इट मीन्स व्हाट, समथिंग बैड विल हैपन टू यू. तो उसके मतलब दे स्टार्टेड डूइंग कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाटर. तो सम काइंड ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इज इट दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स सुपर नेचुरल, कुछ चीजें इवॉल्व हुई, उसमें कुछ पॉजिटिव भी रहा, कुछ नेगेटिव भी रहा. So it has some kind of historical approach. So humanism, which is trying to solve the problem, but it will take time in the historical aspect. And it has been grown, this kind of concept in the society, it is also in the form of what? In the form of historical. It is आज के डेट में जो भी हम लोग humanism में जो भी exist कर रहा है, it is in a historically, and then it has to be solved through the historically itself. Humanists do not consider man as a rational person. ह्यूमनिस्ट क्या बोलता है, मैन इज नॉट अ, क्योंकि यदि मैं समझाने जाऊंगा, इफ आई गो, it's a need an organization, it's need in a system. If I'm moving along the road, I am saying somebody is asking for पैसा दे दो. Yes, I feel something down, no, I need to give, but somebody says if you'll give it, they will go outside and give it to the particular system which is a nexus is there, and otherwise they will go and then drink something. Yes, suddenly we start. So this kind of system को भी solve करना, it's not an easy, it's therefore हम लोग अपनी बात उनको नहीं समझा सकते और उनकी बात हम लोग नहीं समझ सकते, ये भी तो दिक्कत है. तो कुछ हद तक यहाँ पे कहा गया, humanist do not consider man as a rational and man is not like a machine also. तो सारे लोग rational नहीं है. rational का मतलब ही होता है कि you can say give a logic, you can give a logic. And logic everybody cannot understand, everyone cannot understand. तो यहाँ पर ह्यूमनिस्ट ने बोला कि man is not a rational person and also he is not like a machine, कि आपने थोड़ा सा solve किया and the next day machine is ready on the road. It can be developed in the historically and can be solved historically. On conviction, man and woman can improve the quality of their lives by thinking, acting based on this methodology. तो कैसे अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को सोसाइटी सोल्व कर सकती है? जस्ट टेल मी. पार्टिसिपेशन, यस, डिस्कशन, पार्टिसिपेट करोगे, डिस्कस करोगे, एंड देन ऑब्जर्व करोगे, एंड देन गिव एन लॉजिकल इन्फ्रेंस. तब जब तक ये नहीं होगा, इट इज एन बेस्ड ऑन, आई सेड दैट पार्टिसिपेशन. जैसे पंचायत में कभी कभी बातें